Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we've got something special for all you plant enthusiasts out there. If you're looking for the best way to keep your plants healthy, especially in low-light areas like your bedroom, you're in the right place. We're talking about the LBW Grow Lights for indoor plants, the ultimate solution to bring life and vitality to your green companions. But before we dive into all the amazing features of these grow lights, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest product reviews. Now, let's shed some light on these LBW Grow Lights for indoor plants. The LBW Grow Lights come in a pack of 2, making them ideal for any room in your home. Whether you have a single plant or a whole indoor garden, these lights have got you covered. One of the standout features of these grow lights is their height adjustability. With a range of 11 to 56 inches, you can easily accommodate plants of different sizes and stages of growth. Simply telescope the pole up or down to match the height of your plants, ensuring they receive optimal light coverage. Setting these grow lights is a breeze with their 8th of April 12-hour cycle timer. You can schedule the lights to turn on and off at specific times, making it convenient and hassle-free. No more constantly plugging and unplugging. The LBW Grow Lights offer 4 dimmable levels, ranging from 25% to 100%. This customization allows you to provide the perfect amount of light for your plants at different growth stages. The uniform and bright light emitted by these lamps create an essential environment for your green friends. What sets these grow lights apart is their full spectrum of LEDs. With 144 efficient LEDs, including cold white, warm white, red, and blue LEDs, they provide plants with the light they need for all stages of growth. From germination to blooming, flowering, and fruiting, these lights will supercharge your plant's growth. Another convenience is the 13-foot-long cord that eliminates the need for additional power cords. It's perfect for hanging plants or tall ones in any corner of your home. The LBW Grow Lights are well constructed, and they're built to last. The sturdy aluminum construction ensures durability, and their sleek design adds a modern touch to your indoor garden. Now, let's talk about where you can use these grow lights. Whether you have a living room filled with plants, an office with a few green companions, or a balcony garden, these grow lights are suitable for various types of plants, especially tall and large ones. If you have a dark corner in your home, just let these LBW Grow Lights shine on your plants, and watch them thrive in even the most challenging conditions. And here's the cherry on top. The LBW team offers a 12-month warranty plus a 30-day satisfaction or return guarantee. So, if you encounter any issues or have questions, their customer service is there to assist you. In summary, the LBW Grow Lights for indoor plants are an absolute game-changer for plant lovers. They offer height adjustability, timer settings, dimmable levels, and a full spectrum of LEDs, making them the best choice for your indoor garden. Don't miss out on providing your plants with the care they deserve. Click on the link in the description to get your LBW Grow Lights today and watch your plants thrive like never before. That's all for today's product critique. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow plant enthusiasts. And as always, stay tuned for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.